Hello everyone, I'm Matt Watson, a Business Development Manager here at Deepsea Electronics. Over the next few minutes, I intend to give you a quick overview of the Deepsea E400. The E400 is what we call an E-Series product within the Deepsea control brand. The E-Series products are our engine-only controllers and are configured with our free-of-charge, industry-leading Deepsea configuration suite software. If you are not familiar with the Deepsea configuration suite, then that is no problem. With its tree-based layout, it's extremely easy to use. You can simply make your way down the tree and configure the parameters that you require. For example, you can select the type of engine that you would have. This can be done by selecting the application section and clicking this drop down here. Once you've selected the engine that you have, then that will automatically communicate with the engine using CAN bus J1939 communications. You can also configure the inputs. So this is the analog inputs that you would configure. And you can go in there and manipulate the analog sensor curves. You can also configure the outputs. The timings and startings of the engine, and also the stopping of the engine. There are also some specific functions for the engine controls within this section here. For more advanced users, we've also added a dedicated section for function block PLC. Within this section, you can create simple AND blocks, shown here, and you can also select mathematical functions. And you can even create your own PID loops. If we return back to the powered up E400 itself, the first thing that stands out is the bright green backlit screen. This is the same for all Deepsea monochrome controllers. The green backlight provides a very easy to see display and is the best colour for a wide viewing angle. The rubber elastomer on the front of the product provides a real premium finish and helps protect the E400 against corrosive liquids such as oil. The buttons are also rubber and are very clearly labelled to provide ease of use for the operator. There is a stop button, an automatic mode for automatic starting, and a manual button for manual starting. Down the right hand side of the product, there are two buttons, the hare being speed up and the tortoise being speed down. These can both be customised in the Deepsea configuration suite software. Down the left hand side of the product, this is where you scroll through the pages of the E400. You can hold either the top arrow or the bottom arrow to scroll through the pages. And once you are on the page that you require, then a short press of the arrow will scroll through the instrumentation on that particular page. Moving on from the screen, the E400 is installed using these 4 mounting holes here. These are suitable for an M4 bolt. There is a seal built into the E400, so there is no need to fit an external gasket. This, coupled with the fact that we use standard Deutsch DT16 connectors, gives the product an IP67 rating. On the connectors, we have 7 analog inputs that can be configured as 0 to 10 volt, 4 to 20 milliamp, or digital. Additionally, we have 4 dedicated digital inputs. In terms of outputs, we have 4 digital outputs, 2 of which can deliver 10 amp for 10 seconds for engine starting, and the other 2 are capable of delivering 2 amp. Additionally, we have 2 PWMI outputs that can be configured as digital as well, providing a 4 amp output. Also on the connector is an RS485 connection that is capable of Modbus RTU protocol. Another communication pin that we have is our CAN bus connection, capable of J1939 communications with an engine. If you do not have an electronic engine, then don't worry, because we also have a magnetic pickup connection that can be used to read the speed of the engine and a 0 to 10 volt governor output for the speed control. To program all of these pins, you will have to remove this rubber bung here. Connect a standard A to B USB lead, also known as a printer cable, to your E400 and to your laptop. Then you can use the DSC configuration suite to configure the controller for your application. Thank you very much for watching this video, and to find out more about how the E400 could be used in your application, please contact us either via LinkedIn or sales@deepseaelectronics.com. Thank you.